Welcome to Barcelona. If you're visiting for the first time, you are in for an unforgettable journey. In this video, I'll walk you through the must-see sites, share insider tips, and help you fall in love with this dazzling city. Vamos! We start at Park Güell, one of Barcelona's most whimsical landmarks. Adventures. Subscribe. Designed by Antonio Gaudí, the park was originally intended as a residential project, but it evolved into a public park filled with fantastical structures and natural beauty. Unfortunately, tickets were sold out for the day that we were there, so we'd have to wait 2 days to visit the park. My tips for you here are to buy tickets online to skip the line, especially in peak seasons. Also, go early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid crowds and catch the best light for photos. Gaudí's creativity spills across the city, from bone-like balconies of Casa Batlló to the undulating stone facade of Casa Mila. His surreal style is unmistakable. These buildings are as much sculptures as they are homes. Keep an eye out for the architecture as you explore this beautiful city. Take the city tour bus if you'd like to visit the must-see places in the city. You should also know that the city tour bus has 2 routes, so check online for which one you prefer or which one is closest to you. As we walk through the city, we step into the soul of Barcelona. The Gothic Quarter is a maze of winding alleyways, ancient Roman walks, and buzzing tapas bars. It's where the city's history comes alive through every turn. You can visit at any time. The quarter is shady and atmospheric even during the summer heat. Wear comfortable shoes, as those cobblestones are charming but unforgiving. It can get quite busy, so go at night for a romantic stroll or early in the morning to soak it in quietly. We ended up at Maison Jesus, a tapas bar in the Gothic Quarter. The atmosphere is charming and we came at the right time. It's not too crowded here. As you can see, they have an extensive menu in Spanish and in English. We got some sangria to start.
Yeah, approved. Okay.
And a selection of fried sardines,
They do. Yeah.
calamari, grilled octopus, and the goat cheese salad. Delicious. Read my full review on adventureswithjewel.com.
Get it out.
After our lovely lunch, we walked around the Gothic Quarter some more. Then we made our way to Barceloneta.
Oh, they're so fun.
Barceloneta brings Mediterranean energy to urban life. Once a fisherman's neighborhood, it is now a hotspot for beach vibes, nightlife, and fresh seafood. A peaceful stroll along the marina. I definitely recommend you do this after a day of exploration. Hit the beach early or enjoy a peaceful walk along the boardwalk at dusk. Also, this is a hot spot, so watch out for pickpockets and stay alert with your bags and phones. We continue our adventure on the metro. As you can see, it gets quite busy here, and for first-timers figuring out the card system, it can be a bit tricky.
Now what?
Some of the card entry is tapped while others are inserted. It took me a while to figure that out myself.
So much work. We just missed our train.
We finally made our way through to our metro stop.
Okay, right here.
And if you pay close attention, you can see where we're going. If you guessed the Segrada Familia, you are right. Welcome to Barcelona's crown jewel, the Segrada Familia. Gaudí's final masterpiece, the Segrada Familia is unlike any church you've ever seen. A fusion of Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, it's been under construction for over 140 years, and it's still evolving, as you can see throughout this segment. It is the largest unfinished Catholic church in the world. In 2005, Gaudí's work on the Sagrada Familia was added to an existing UNESCO World Heritage Site on the works of Antoni Gaudí. On 19th March 1882, construction began under architect Francisco de Paula del Villar. When Villar resigned in 1883, Gaudí took over as the chief architect, transforming the project with his architectural and engineering style that combined Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms. Gaudí devoted the remainder of his life to the project, and he is buried in the church's crypt. At the time of his death in 1926, less than a quarter of the project was complete. As of July 2017, An international mass is celebrated at the Basilica every Sunday at 9 a.m., and it is open to the public until the church is full. Visitors can access the nave, crypt, museum, shop, and the Passion and Nativity steeples. Entrance to either of the steeples requires a reservation and an advance purchase of a ticket. I definitely recommend visiting this masterpiece if you're in Barcelona. I hope to return one day when it is complete. I would love to see it in its full glory. Barcelona is a city that speaks to every kind of traveler, with art, history, beach vibes, and a pulse you'll never forget. Whether you're sipping sangria in Barcaloneta or marveling at Gaudí's brilliance, your first visit will not be your last. Hit that subscribe button, drop your questions or favorite spots in the comments, and while we're leaving Barcelona for now, we will see you in another region in Spain.